Hello friends, myself Dr. Poonam Savan. Today I will discuss with you about post-COVID-19 hair loss, causes and management. Causes of hair loss. Hair loss after recovery of COVID-19 infection is seen in many patients, but this is temporary and study shows that it's not linked directly with COVID-19 virus. The factors responsible for temporary hair loss are mental and physical stress, nutrition deficiency, hormonal disturbance, and prolonged hospitalization. Telogen effluvium. Due to these triggering factors, large number of hairs which are in anagen phase enters into telogen phase. In telogen phase, hair sheds within 2 to 3 months without growth of new hair follicles. This results in huge hair fall and the condition is known as telogen effluvium. In normal condition, 50 to 100 hairs sheds per day of telogen effluvium. More than 300 hairs get shedded per day, resulting in hair loss. Hair growth phase in normal condition. There are three phases: anagen phase, catagen phase, telogen phase. Anagen phase is a growth phase and telogen phase is a resting phase. The shedding of hair is seen in this phase with growth of new hair follicle. But in case of telogen effluvium, that is in post-COVID-19 condition, the telogen phase, that is in resting phase, the shedding of hair is seen without growth of new hair follicle. As mentioned earlier, this is temporary phase for about 6 to 9 months after each new hair follicle grows naturally. By consuming necessary nutrients and proper stress management, this condition can be made reversible within short span of time. But its ignorance may lead to chronic telogen effluvium, resulting in problems like hair dryness, thin, frizzy and low volume hairs, etc. Sometimes complete hair baldness may occur. It is necessary to know that even though this is temporary phase, ignorance in taking healthy diet and proper stress relief methods may result in permanent hair loss or poor hair quality. With proper practice, hairs may grow naturally. Management of hair loss. Proper nutrition and hydration, stress management, and by using some natural remedies. First, proper nutrition and hydration. Healthy diet and proper hydration not only improve hair growth but also improve post-COVID-19 problems like muscle weakness and muscle strength, loss of appetite, loss of energy, fatigueness, etc. Considering the post-COVID-19 stress, the diet should be light and easy to digest. Take short meal after 2 hours interval for digestion improvement. To improve quality and quantity of hairs, eat food which is rich in proteins, vitamins, omega-3 fatty acid, minerals like zinc, iron, with proper hydration. Include vegetables like carrot, tomato, potato, green leaf vegetables, beetroot, cucumber, etc. Consume fruits like apple, papaya, pomegranate, watermelon, avocado. For non-vegetarian, can consume boiled egg, chicken, steamed fish. Hydration include consuming sufficient amount of water per day, milk, buttermilk, lemon juice, etc. For stress management, stress can be managed by following techniques: practicing yoga for 15 to 20 minutes daily, practicing meditation and breathing exercise, good sleep, living happy life, involvement in hobbies like playing music, etc. There are some natural remedies. Apply mixture of lavender oil 2 to 3 drops and coconut oil or olive oil to scalp overnight. Lavender oil acts on nervous system, thus it helps to remove stress and help in growth of new hair follicle. Apply mixture of rosemary oil and coconut oil or olive oil to scalp overnight. Rosemary oil have anti-inflammatory effect and it improves circulation and thus help in growth of new hair follicle. Hair wash, use mixture of flaxseed powder, fenugreek seed powder, hibiscus powder, amla powder along with water. Flaxseed and fenugreek seed gel as pre-wash hair conditioner. Flaxseed and fenugreek seed are rich in vitamin B and in minerals like iron, calcium. Also, amla is rich in vitamin C, so all are help in growth of new hair follicle. This video provides general information and aim to inform that post-COVID-19 hair fall is not directly related with COVID-19 virus. People are advised to refer physician and dermatologist for consultation. Thank you.